It's unacceptable to me to have 47 million people in this country uninsured.
The system's broken, and it needs to be about health and care for patients.
We have to adopt some attitude toward much more fundamental and, I think, radical change. I don't see an incremental solution.
When I was dirt broke, when I had nothing, when I lived in the ghetto, as everybody would say, you know, I had access then because I had nothing. But then when I got a job, that came to something, so then they took it all away.
I want to see everyone able to afford to be sick, because people right now can't afford to be sick. It feels like everyone is one major illness away from poverty.
You talk to the serious economists who look at the overall U.S. economy, and they'll point to healthcare as the thing that will sink our collective ship.
Everyone's got to bring something to the table, and the idea that any sector, hospitals, doctors, nurses, insurance companies, the government, everyone can come in and say, I want to stay whole, not possible.
The corporations are going to have to change. The hospitals are going to change. The government is going to have to change. So what I'm going to ask them is, when you form this package, would you please include everyone? Because it's going to take our whole society to change.
The ultimate goal is not to provide more health care. The ultimate goal is to have a healthier population.
Back in the old days, it was Marcus Welby, MD. One physician, one patient, personal relationship, and one physician could deliver all the care. That just doesn't happen today.
If we're going to fix health care in this country, and by fix I mean affordable, accessible, quality health care made available for everyone, if we're going to do that in this country, everybody's got to step up.
We all help create the problem. We all need to be part of the solution, and we all get to change.
I am optimistic about the future. I think part of that is simply constitutional, but I also recognize that this is a problem so large that we simply have to deal with it.
I think we have so many people upset in every perspective that we're finally getting to the point where we have the quantity of concern that will push us forward.
We're there, where we have enough people who understand to create that common shared vision of a new future, and it's happening.
I see the desire of the people involved in this space to make change. I'm very optimistic, absolutely believe that this change can occur.
So I don't think there's any alternative but to make that effort and to be optimistic about it. The consequence of failure is simply too expensive and too costly in terms of human life.
We are now at this stage where I think everybody's willing to listen to the other side, but only on the proviso that something is going to happen.
Now is the time for us to fight the battle for us. We have the technology, we have the ability, and we know we can get the money, and we have the money. We just need to take and focus all of our energy so that we, as a collective group, not just one person, it's once been said that many hands make light work, many voices will come together as one and make a powerful statement, and that's what we need to do now.